Hello everyone, welcome to Siggy Cooks. Every one of us love a quick egg scramble, a tasty side dish for both rice and chapati. In this video, I've shared my favorite way of preparing egg scramble, a unique recipe with a spicy coconut masala. Add few coconut slices in a mixer jar. Add 1 red chilli, half teaspoon cumin seeds, and quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Grind coarse without adding any water. In a cooking pan, add 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Once oil turns hot, add half teaspoon each mustard seeds and urad dal, 1 red chilli, few curry leaves, and few sliced small onions. Saute until onions turn translucent. Now add the prepared coconut masala, add required salt, and saute well until well roasted. Add required amount of eggs. And don't forget to add required salt for eggs. Now scramble and mix well in medium flame until there's no moisture left. And your spicy scrambled eggs is now ready. A quick delicious side dish for both rice and chapati. I hope you give this recipe a try and I would love to know your feedbacks and comments. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time with another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.